Belmont Family Theatrical Consortium proudly presents
the wackiest talk show you'll ever see, Truth TV. Our hosts are the kooky Katie Kochek and the zany Matt
Good morning, everyone. I'm Katie Kochek, and welcome to Truth TV.
And I'm Matt Flower. We have an unbelievable story for you today. Our story happened a long
Time ago, when Jesus, the Son of God, was in the wilderness for 40 days.
And right now, from that place and time, we have with us Sandy Stone
Gordon Granite.
and Rocky Mountain.
Awesome. Cool. Welcome.
It's nice to be here.
Be here.
Sandy, let's start with you. Tell us about it.
Well, Katie, Excuse me. Well, I'm not used to the weather out here. Let's see. After Jesus went 40 days without food,
Boy, I would have been hungry.
the devil teased him and dared him to turn rocks into bread.
That's terrible.
Yes, I know, that bad devil. And he was pointing at me when he said that. Can you imagine? Me, a plain loaf of bread. Maybe something sweet like a cake, cookies, even a nice apple pie, or...
Sandy, what did Jesus do?
Oh, yes, dear. Well, he said no. Because even though Jesus had the power to do it, he knew that listening to God
And not the devil.
was more important than having something to eat.
Now, Gordon, we heard that the devil was telling Jesus Bible verses.
That's right.
Well, isn't that good?
He was using those verses to try to trick Jesus into jumping off the top of the temple.
Gordon, where were you when you heard this?
Well, Katie, I was right up there with them on the highest part of the temple. All right, I was scared, real scared.
Gordon,
I told them not too high, but did they listen? No.
Gordon,
Listen to my top, they said.
Gordon, you're the hunk of yourself. Okay, we're all calm. Think of low-lying objects, grass, shrub, worms. Everybody breathe deeply. Gordon, just one last question. Did Jesus jump?
No. The devil was using those Bible verses in the wrong way, and Jesus knew that.
Well, Rocky, that leaves you. I understand you also heard the devil stretching the truth.
Yo, this is how I saw it. The edge of the wilderness. The devil is standing on my head with Jesus, the Son of God.
What were they doing up there?
The devil showed Jesus all the world. Yo, pick a kingdom, any kingdom. You can have them all. Just say, I'm the greatest.
What? Oh, my, that's wrong.
You bet your sweet little Blue Ridge that was wrong. He told the devil to get out of his face, saying that God's the greatest!
Excuse me.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you, Rocky, Sandy, Gordon.
And remember, when you stretch the truth,
People are gonna find out, and it's gonna snap back at ya. Bye.
wow, that was a great play, Dory.
Yeah. Next time, let's ask Mom and Dad to double our production budget.